What's going on, guys? Welcome to Tommy Unboxing and Review. I'm Tommy. Now today I'm gonna show you the YIKONG's new crawler, the YIKONG YK4101PRO. Now let's unbox it. Wow, now here you see in the box of the YIKONG new rig. Now let's put it out. You can see this is the manuals. Now this is the rig, the YIKONG. Box. Wow. First I will untie it. Now let's see the tracks. I think it resembles the Toyota LC79, don't it? Now the shell is all plastics. It's a little bit heavier. Let's see the chassis. There are 8 links. Metal universal straps. Hollow axles. But the axles are plastic. You can see the servo on the axles. Now you can see this thing is so it can help the servo. Now let's look at the rigs. So first, the wheelbase is 350 millimeters long and rig is 542 millimeters long. You can see the shell is plastic and the front window is translucent. You can see here it has mirrors. Now let's see the chassis. First, you can see the servo on the axle. You can see this is a steering shock absorber. It can protect the servo. If you drive so fast and hit on a wall, the servo may be broke, but if you use this, it can help a lot. You can see just like this. Now let's look the shock absorber. It has a rubber sleeve on it. I think it can stay the dust wave. So if you use these rigs for a long time, I think the shocks will keep smooth than other shocks because the dust won't get into it. Here you can see the 550 black cam motor, the ESC, I think is Hobbywing 1060. Now you can see 1, 2, 3 levels. 3 servo. Now this is a 6-channel. It can use a high-low speed, the front and rear differential locks. Also you can see it has the polo axles. This is all plastic. Now this is the battery tree. The metal universal shaft. You can see in the rear axles it's just the same as the front axles. I think maybe the company will think it is easy to change. If you broke one piece, you can change the front to the rear, and it's a good news. You can change the servo on axles for the rear axles. So this rig maybe become the 4-wheel steering rig. Many guys think this rig is a recipe of the TRX4. I don't think so. You can see the chassis and the axles and even the steering system don't like the TRX4. Now let's see other box. Tears. This must be the tears. Four tears. Plastic wheel. Oh, this is a transmitter. Six-channel transmitter, all plastics. on off. Channel 4, I think this is maybe the high and low speed switch. This must be the front and rear differential locks. By the way, it has the channel 6. It can control the lights, so if you you can put some lights on the rigs. After I put all the wheels on, like you can see, this is whole rigs. .8 kilograms without batteries. I think it's not so heavy. Now let's put battery. Battery tree. Almost putting it in. Turn on the transmitter. Oh, sorry. You can see the connector is a little bit shorter. So for about 2 centimeters. I think I should change for another battery. Or I just turn on. You can see the steering. I think. The high gear, the light wheel on. Now this is a front differential lock control. The front differential is locked and locked, and this also has the light to tell you the on off. I think it is so beautiful. This channel you can use for the light or change the high-low gear to this.